Baruch gets himself seated. And if you have any questions of what the class is all about or classes that you do miss, please go on my Facebook. You'll see the link there, and or just speak to Baruch and just try to see the tapes of the class itself. There's also a question that's asked underneath the tape, what is the purpose of an unedited tape? And I answer that question. So what you got to do is you got to hit, if you're interested, the question, and you'll see my answer. It's not shown, but it's underneath, it's hidden, you might say. And basically, it's a student taking the tapes of the class, and it doesn't have to be edited more than it has been, except it can be done edited, but we don't have to do that. All right, I'm looking now at page 119, and again, complete the following sentences according to the given example. You should be doing the examples or the exercises of this particular unit. So what I'll give you back on Thursday is what you have done already for me. And what you'll be doing week in and week out are the exercises, particularly the ones that you have to fill in. Just give me the page, show me that you're able to write it, and don't have to write the whole sentence, just write out the phrase that's missing, the word that's missing. All right, on page 119, 3D4, the example cited with the question, Ma zeh, what is this? The response, Zeh Sefer Ma'ayan. This is an interesting story. I was writing a book. If the answer was, this is the interesting book, then it'll be Zeh HaSefer Ma'ayan. If you have the noun and the adjective follows, and they both lack the definite article, then this is an interesting book. If the noun was definite, Zeh HaSefer, and then the word Hama'ayan, then that would be this is the interesting book. What about the possibility Zeh HaSefer Ma'ayan? If your sentence had Zeh HaSefer, this is the book, this is the book is interesting. It's not good English. This is a book, this is the book, is interesting. So the definite article will be in front of the noun and adjective. All right, just do the exercise that's given. Baruch on page 119, exercise 3D4. Read the example cited and then continue to do the fill-ins.
Okay, so we did number one, continue to number two.
First, start with number one.
Okay, Zeh Sefer Me'anim.
Okay, Zeh Sefer Ma'ayan. Also attempt to translate.
This book is interesting.
All right, you went too quickly. This book is interesting. This is an interesting book.
Okay, I'm reading it later. This is an interesting book.
You can read it that way too, or this is an interesting book. Sefer Ma'ayan can be a book is interesting or an interesting book. Continue number two.
Okay, would it be Zot or Ha Gedola?
Zot or Ha Gedola. Okay. Translate.
Okay, this feminine or a hot is something big or a hot meal.
Wait a minute. What's the translation of the word oracha?
Or I don't know.
Eli, could you help him? Oracha?
Yes.
I guess. Okay, we have two Hebrew words. No, she uses two Hebrew words for guests, and I guess you got to pick it up right away. The word oracha. I get my hair. It blurs before my eyes right now. Okay. Is one way of saying it. Orachat is the other. They are interchangeable. Okay. So Zot or Gedola, again, translate for me.
Okay, Zot, this feminine guest is the big one.
No.
Gedola, right?
No.
Zot
Oracha.
Oraha Gedola.
Now translate that.
This guest is big.
All right, this guest is big. All right, how about this is a big guest?
Yeah, this is a big guest.
Oh, it doesn't just work either one. It's may have the same implication, but to be specific, zot is this, and then add the word is, this is, and then or hagadolah, a large guess, a big guess, or this is, a guess is big, but that type of sentence is awkward. Continue with the next one, Baruch.
Okay, the bank Ishan. So, bank,
Read the Hebrew.
the bank Ishan.
Okay, Zeb Bank, Bank, first of all.
The bank,
Bank. Try the Hebrew. Bank,
bank,
bank.
bank.
Okay, you'll learn it one day.
The bank Ishan.
Yeah, Sean. And translation.
Ishan. Okay, this masculine bank is, I don't know what is, what, oh? Oh, this bank is old.
All right,
It's an old bank.
this is an old bank. Again, people, I don't know how many times I can repeat this. If you have your adjective first, then go with the word is or are following the adjective. Ze bank yashan. This is an old bank. Take one more, Baruch.
Okay, so, hi, Hayom Tovim.
No.
I'm
All right,
Tovim.
Ellie, let me
Okay,
wait.
I got this.
Wait a minute.
Zechayim Tovim, this is looking like.
All right, the word Chayim Tovim, is that singular or plural?
It says like plural.
All right, wait a minute. But the word Zeh is singular. What's the plural of this? How do you say these in Hebrew?
Ele.
That's better. Now, give me the sentence again. Ele.
Okay, so Ele Chaim Tovim.
Okay, Ele Chayim Tovim. All right, two observations. Number one, the Hebrew has the plural Ele. The English has the singular. This is. Hebrew has literally these are. But the word Chayim is the subject, it's a plural. I know it because the adjective is in Tovim, not Tov. So I use the word Elef. These are, or the English translation would be, this is a good life. And then the word pronounced is Chayim, not Chayim. Chayim. From the mouth of an Ashkenazi, I can handle Chayim. From the mouth of a Sephardi Mizrahi, don't you disappoint me. It's Chayim. It's Chayim.
Oh, really?
Yes.
But I was Ashkenazi forever, so it's Chaim.
The Ashkenazim do what they want. The Hebrew is Sephardic Hebrew in this classroom. So Eile Chayim Tovim.
For life, we say Chaim also. That's like the Yemenites, they say Chaim.
All right. You want to say Chayim? And say Chayim. All right. The
That's
word.
just how, that's how I.
Okay. I'm not going to dispute with you, but I guess the Sephardic pronunciation should be Chayim. Second syllable. Well, it's really one word. No, you have a Chatah Patah. Let's write out that word. That word Chayim. Look at the spelling. You have a CV. See that Chatah Patah there? So it's C-I-N, then the Yud, long Kirik, C-I-N-C-V-C. It's a monosyllabic word. Monosyllabic means one syllable, but it sounds like two syllables because the chet doesn't have a shana under it. It has a Chatah Patah. Chayim. Let me double check the spelling now. How often would you see a monosyllabic word that's that common, like the word life, and then have two different pronunciations? With a professor going with Chaim, and my Sephardic speakers say Chaim. Yeah, well, the Ashkenazim go Chaim too. All right, well, maybe I don't drink. That's why I say Chaim. Yeah, well, L'chaim. All right. All right. Yirmiyahu, there is a catch to that word. I'll give it to you in a second. First, let's take a look at that spelling. All right. Just 1 minute.
Is that the Yemenite?
Yemenites mostly. Yeah.
Okay, people, let me make a correction. I spelled the word I misspelled it. I'm going to follow the dictionary. The dictionary does not have a chatzah patach and a chet. It has a patach. Not a problem. Dagesh chazak and that yud, long kirik. This is the proper spelling. Chaim. How much more so? How much more so? If you have your syllable CVC and CVC with the accent having to be on the second syllable, it's a long vowel close. It should be Chaim. So you're telling me Yemenites and everybody else spelled Chaim. Fine, you can say what you want. Hebrew grammar will insist on the accent on the second syllable. My error, I spelled it with a chatzapatach. It should be spelled with a patach. Yirmiyahu, this is a word you need to know. Do you enjoy drinking yayin wine? Do you enjoy drinking some whiskey with friends?
He looks like by himself.
Okay.
Oh, no, he doesn't like to drink.
All right, all right, all right. Then you're part of my community. If you drink, you say l'chaim, to life.
Oh, with the grape juice. With the grape juice.
Or alcohol.
No, he doesn't,
Like a
he
toast.
doesn't drink.
Yeah, like a toast.
Oh, you're
basically.
toasting life.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, okay.
Okay, so you see friends drinking, you say, well, l'chaim. Okay. All right, people, as long as you got through that word, I think. And then the word Chaim is also a common name. It's a very, obviously, naming a child Chaim is will be life. The child live up to the name that's being called. All right, let me get back to my Hebrew here before I'm losing it. Okay, so but definitely from the grammar point of view, Chaim, if you will, is a plural word for Elah Chaim Tovim. All right, continue to read. Baruch, I think you read your examples. All right, Yirmiyahu wants to pick up with number 5. That's right, Midbach, go ahead. What's the adjective with Midbach? I don't hear him. I usually, okay, I didn't hear the Hebrew. Mizbach Chadash, okay.
And could I say,
Would you say Zeh or Zot?
those?
Look at the noun and particularly look at the adjective. Does the adjective look masculine or feminine? Okay, Midbach is kitchen. Chadash is new. I don't see the word Chadasha. I don't see it as Chadashim or Chadashot, so it's a masculine singular word. Midbach itself doesn't have any feminine characteristic about it. So if it's a masculine phrase, would you say Zeh or Zot? That's right. Zeh Midbach Chadash. Now do the next effort. Translate Zeh Midbach Chadash. Not this kitchen, that would be a Midbach. Again, this is, that's right. Zeh by itself is this is, and then you add the indefinite article, a, and then Midbach Chadash, a new kitchen. This is a new kitchen. Okay, Yirmiyahu, continue with number 6. Sipurim, Me'anyanim. Okay,
L,
okay. All right, say the whole sentence now. Ele,
L,
go ahead. Okay. Ele sipurima anyanim. All right, try the translation.
these stories are interesting.
These are, first of all,
Oh, these are interesting stories.
that's right. Okay, try one more now, number 7.
Sippurim are stories, right?
These are interesting sipurim stories, yes. Our number 7,
What's the city? Okay. Irene.
that's right. Arim Gedolot.
Okay. That would be
Are you going to say Zez, Zot, or Ele?
Ele.
No, continue. Ele,
Arim. Gadolot.
and the translation?
These are big cities.
These are big cities or large cities. Tzadal El. Okay. The last 3, Ellie.
אוכל טוב, זה אוכל טוב.
Okay, 1 minute. Ochel Tov. And then Ze Ochel Tov. Okay, how do you translate Ze Ochel Tov?
This is good food.
This is a good what?
This is good food.
Good food. If you say, if that's what you said, this is good food.
Yeah.
All right, continue to the next one.
עיר קטנה. זאת עיר קטנה.
All right, translate Zot Ir Katana.
That's a small city.
Is it that or this is?
This is
Okay, that word Zot is Zot is this. And finally, the last one.
מלון ישן, old hotel. זה מלון ישן.
All right, Ze Malon Yashan. This is an old hotel, okay, or inn. All right, now the next one. Change the following sentences according to the given example. Zed Bait Jafeh, this is a nice house. So this house is nice. And she says, in place of the word is, you can add the word who. Abayit hazeh, this house, hu yafeh. Baruch, read the example I just read and continue to fill in.
Ze, Beit Yafeh,
Not bait. Bait means house of. Buy it.
Oh, Bayet. Bayet.
Come on.
Ze Bayet Yafeh. Habayet Hazeh Hu Yafeh.
All right. Next one.
Okay, so it'd be Hadash,
Now read the example given, number 2.
Beze, Mozinon, Museum,
Good.
Hadash.
Okay, Ze Muzion Hadash.
This museum, this is a new museum. Ha Meuzanon Hadash, Hu Hadash.
How about this museum is new? Give me the fill-in.
Okay, okay, so Ha Museum,
Ha Muzion.
Ha Museum, Hadash, Hu.
No. Hazeh first. Ha Muzion Hazeh. This museum.
Museum Hazeh. Okay, Hu Hadash.
Hu Hadash. Number 3, Baruch. Continue.
Okay, so Zot, Sepira,
Sifriya.
Sepira, or library.
That's right.
Ishna. No, what's Ishna?
No. Yishana. From the word Yashan. Yeshana, old.
Old, okay. This is library. Old, okay. So, הספרה הזאת ישנה.
Okay. Hasifriya Hazod Yeshana. All right, let's just stop here a moment. With Yirmiyahu and the rest of you have to be, not Yirmiyahu, Baruch, all of us have to do this. You got to look at your vocabulary. You got to make sure you're saying the words properly. The word is Yashan. Let me just have your attention. Yashan is old. And then the feminine, you're adding a kamatse, this kamatse to you becomes a shana, Yishana. The word Sifriya is spelled this way. And you write it in the translation library. There's another word in Hebrew, Sphira. Sphira. It has the same three letters, the Samaj Peresh. One deals with the word Sefer and Sipur, a story, books, whatever, library. Sphira deals with counting. That word Nispar is related to it. And that's what we did today for a good part of the first hour and a half, the Lamed Gimel, the counting of the 33rd day. That's called the Sphira period, not the Sifriya. Sifriya is library. But both words have the same shorosh, Samech Peresh.
Okay, so it'd be הספרה הזאת ישנה.
Yeshana.
ישנה.
All right, we're going to use that phrase. Let me first find the place here. Sifriya Hazot Yeshana. Continue, Baruch. Next one.
אוקיי. אלה הביאורים מעניינים.
Anyanim. Convert it.
אוקיי, אלה הביאורים. I struck a blank. אלה, okay, these are הביאורים. What was ביאורים?
What?
Uh-huh.
Harim?
הביאורים.
Friends?
Just 1 minute. Wait a minute. Now, Baruch, you're getting me confused right now. You're translating rather than converting it. Converting it is the second part of that sentence
Oh,
there.
okay, no. Okay, so, הביאורים. האלה
That's it.
למעניינים.
Ma'anyanim.
מעניינים.
All right. Translate that phrase. Hachafirim ha'ele ma'anyanim.
Okay, these friends, מעניינים, I forget what that word means. מעניינים means are interesting.
Are interesting. Okay, at least the translation. Hachafirim ha'ele ma'anyanim. All right, take the next one, Baruch.
זאת פקידה.
The word is pakid in the masculine. When you add the kamatzeh for the feminine, the kamatz reduces shvana. Pekida.
Oh, פקידה. פקידה. Okay. What's a need? Okay, what's in need? Okay, seriously, serious. Okay, so these are serious clerks.
Does it have the plural? It says zot pekida.
Okay, so pekida, let's see, need.
Translate that at least.
Okay, so these are.
Not these are. It's singular. Pekida.
Oh,
And zot is a singular word. This.
okay, this. Okay, this clerk is serious. This is a serious clerk.
That's better. This is. If it was this clerk, it would be hapekida hazot. Zot pekida is this is a serious clerk.
Okay, so then we go to ha-paki-da, ha-zot, let's need.
Ritzinit.
Let's see.
All right, I have to work on this. All right, Ellie, the next one, number 6.
If I moved on.
I'm not hearing you. A little louder. Number 6.
Second.
Eile, go ahead.
אלה פרופסורים
Translate that for me.
These are the professors from the university.
All right. These are professors. It doesn't say "haprofessorim." These are professors from the university. Now convert it.
הפרופסורים האלה
Okay.
מהאוניברסיטה.
All right. And translate "haprofessorim ha'ele me'universita."
These professors are from the university.
That's right. All right. Continue, Ellie. Next page. Let's finish up this exercise.
Yeah. זה קולנוע גדול.
All right. The word is called Noah. It's,
קולנוע cinema.
that's
Right?
yes.
Like movie theater. זה קולנוע גדול. This is a big cinema. Or this cinema is big.
Converted.
And then הקולנוע הזה גדול.
The word is called Noah. It's a long cholam.
Okay, like
Hakono hazeh gadol. Translate Hakono hazeh gadol.
this cinema is big.
Okay. Next one.
אלה מקומות מעניינים. These places are interesting.
These are interesting
Oh,
places.
these are interesting places. And then changing it, המקומות האלה מעניינים.
No. Hamakomot hama'anyanim ha'ele.
האלה goes at the end?
Let's double check. No. You're right. Let's go that way. Hamakomot ha'ele ma'anyanim. Okay. And translate.
These places are interesting.
Okay. Number 9.
זאת cafeteria טובה. This cafeteria is good.
Again, this
This
is
is a cafeteria that's good.
this is a good cafeteria. Okay.
Then changing it, הקפטריה הזאת טובה.
Okay.
Now
Translate.
it's this cafeteria is good.
Again, the translation.
This cafeteria is good.
Good. And okay, very good. And finally, Yirmiyahu, finish it up first, number 10. Then I got to make some announcements. Go ahead.
Za Malone Kate.
All right. Not za, ze.
Ze.
Malone,
Malone Kate.
katan.
Katan.
Katan. The word for small. How would you translate ze malone katan?
It's a small hotel.
This is a small what?
It's a small hotel.
That's right.
It's a ha Malone Kate.
Hamalon,
Kate.
hazeh,
Oh, Hazeh Kate.
well, finish the sentence. Hamalon hazeh,
Ha Malone Hazeh Kate.
and to translate,
This is a small hotel.
no, this hotel.
This hotel is small.
Okay, people. All right, several announcements. Number 1 were your exercises. I looked at them. I'll give them back to you on Thursday. What you haven't done are a lot of the exercises found with units that was just about to finish. Try to do the unit that you have to fill in your exercise. I know it takes time at home to do it, but it's a good way for you to just practice again and again with an open book and do the best that you can. When you'll hand it in is when you can hand it in. I don't know when that's going to be. But the next exercise is going to be the real challenge. On pages 122, 123, 124, 125, she's got a whole text over there, or test. This you'll do on your own. I'm not going to bother to do it with you in the class. And that will be handed in the last week that we have a semester, which is 3 more weeks, I guess, of the month of May. Try to do that on your own as best as you can. When I finish on Thursday, this particular unit, let's try this again. We're looking at pages 122 onto page 126. No, page 126 you'll have to bother with. Up to page 125. This is stuff that you do at home You'll have an open book, etc. You'll bring that in towards the end of the semester. We will do one more unit, I hope, on page 127, which I'll start on Thursday. All right, people, it was a difficult hour as far as the phones go, but try to get into it a little bit. And you're making some progress. That's important. All right, people, sei gesund, we say in Yiddish, be healthy. And refuah shlema for those of us who need that advice right now. All right, be well. Is somebody knocking at that door?
Don't think so.
I hear a knock.